Welcome to ActionWise Installation Guide. This video explains how to download ActionWise software and install it on your computer. In order to download ActionWise software on your workstation's hard disk, first of all you need to create a temporary folder to contain the downloaded files. Then navigate to Software Downloads link. Click the name of the software you wish to download. You download each program separately. Save the software to your hard drive. Software is provided as a self-extracting compressed file. Now let's start the setup program. For this you need to start Windows Explorer. View the contents of the folder to which you downloaded the software. Then right-click the file and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to the security warning. The default program then launches with administrator privileges and the file opens therein. Now follow the steps of the setup wizard. The ActionWise Prerequisites Setup Wizard should automatically start. Click on Next icon to continue through stages of the installation wizard. In the next step you should mark Access Database Engine, and Advisal Oak for ActionNet. If you have not installed on your system, click on Next icon to continue through stages of the installation wizard. In this step, the Setup Wizard asks you to install Microsoft Access Database Engine 2010. Microsoft Access Database Engine technology allows for communication and data exchange between files that are proprietary to Microsoft Office package and other applications. Click on Next icon to continue through stages of the installation wizard. In this step the Setup Wizard asks you to install Advisal Oak for ActionWise. Click on Next icon to continue through stages of the installation wizard. In this step the Setup Wizard asks you to install some of the prerequisites needed to run Advisal Oak for ActionNet. Click on Next icon to continue through stages of the installation wizard. In this step the Setup Wizard asks you to install ActionNet. Click on Next icon to continue through stages of the installation wizard. In this step the Setup Wizard asks you to select which components of ActionWise to be installed, and shows the descriptions such as total space required on driver and the space available on driver. Click on Modify icon to confirm the installation process. If you click on Run button then the Setup Wizard asks you to select which components of ActionWise to be installed. Click on Modify icon to confirm the installation process. And now ActionWise has been successfully installed on your system. So you can click on Finish button to complete the installation, then you automatically launch ActionWise software. Also you can access ActionWise software from where it get installed on your system. For example C:\program files \spin \actionnet. Now right-click on the ActionWise and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to the security warning to start Action.NET-Wise software. Also you can create shortcut by right-click an item and choose Send to Desktop, create shortcut. ActionNet needs to load license key, which set to you by SPIN. Click on the Load License Key icon to access license key. In server part you can choose your server, which by default is localhost. In project part there are options such as New Project to create new project. Find projects which use defined projects that are available on server. Open project to open the selected project in editable form. And Run project to run the selected project.